Hello students, welcome to our maths class. So all dear 9th class students, be ready. So watch the video with your notebooks, textbooks and pen, and for any problem you refer the textbook and you understand the question, you read the question and understand, then look at the procedure. And whatever I write, any definition, any formula, any solution, so please write down in the notebook. Maintain very good neat notebooks. So now you know we started real numbers in the last class. So this is second class today, and in this real numbers we started exercise 1.1 and we completed 2 problems. Now third problem based on write down the heading finding rational numbers between given rational numbers. Find the rational numbers between given rational numbers. Find the rational numbers between given rational numbers. See here. Suppose 5 and 7 are given. What is the natural number between these two? What is the natural number between these two? You can tell 6. 6 is a natural number between 5 and 7. Like this. Suppose, what are the rational numbers between 5 and 7? Rational numbers. So rational number can be in the form of a p by q, fraction also. So between 5 and 7, there are infinite rational numbers. There are so many rational numbers. How to find the rational numbers between these two? So these two, there are infinite number of rational numbers. So 1 or 2, if it is asked, we can write, we can tell. So there are 2 methods. One is mean method and another is one single step method making the denominator same. I will explain 2 methods. So first write down, if A comma B are 2 rational numbers, if A comma B are 2 rational numbers, then A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2 will lie between A and B. A plus B by 2 will lie between A and B. A plus B by 2 will lie between A and B. A plus B by 2 will lie between A and B. So to get a number between these two, we can apply this rule. 5 plus 7 by 2, that is 12 by 2, which is 6. It will lie between these two. We know 6 will be lying between these two. Like that, suppose if one more number is asked, apply the same rule for this and this. 5 plus 6 by 2, 11 by 2 will lie here. If you are asked to write one more, infinite numbers exist. Again apply this formula. 5 plus 11 by 2 by 2. Like this, we can write any number of rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers. So let us take one example. Write down. Find 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Or find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. Find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. Method 1, which is called mean method. Mean method, that means A plus B by 2 rule. See here, 4 and 5 are 2 numbers. In between this, we are asked to find 3 numbers. 3 numbers are asked. So many numbers exist, but we are asked to find 3 numbers. I will find. So one number One number between 4 and 5 is, for what is the rule? 4 plus 5 by 2, a plus b by 2, 9 by 2. Second number again same formula, a plus b by 2, 4 plus 9 by 2 by 2. You know how to add the fractions. 2 LCM, 2 4s are 8 plus 9, 17 by 4. Third number, same rule, 4 plus 17 by 4 by 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 33 by 8. So the numbers between 4 and 5, the three rational numbers are like this, 9 by 2. See, it is not that only these answers are correct. Any procedure, different procedure you will get different answer, because between these two infinite numbers exist. So we can't find all. Any number is correct. So I applied this method, I got these answer. If I apply another method, we will get different answers. Don't confuse. Any answer is correct. So the numbers are 9 by 2, 17 by 4 and 33 by 8. Like this, three numbers. Write down and I will explain method 2. Method 2. This is single step method. This is called single step method, easy method, and it is also called making denominator same. Making same denominators. Making same denominator. I will explain. See here. 4, 5. Single step method. How many numbers are asked? 3 numbers. 3 numbers are asked. So, 3 numbers are required. So, here 3 numbers are required. 3 numbers are required means n is equal to 3. Then we have to find n plus 1. That means 3 plus 1, 4. See how many numbers are required, how many numbers we have to find these between these two? 3 numbers. So find n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. So with this 4, multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide by 4. So that is 4 by 4. Multiply and divide with 4. 4 into 4 by 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with both the numbers with 4. Why 4? N plus 1. N is number of digits which are required between these. So n is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Here also multiply and divide with 4. Into 4 by 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with 4. So if you are multiplying and dividing with the same number, that 4 4 cancel, nothing but 1. Here also 4 4 cancel, nothing but 1. So this is 16 by 4. This is 20 by 4. And now easily we can tell the numbers between these two. So after 16 by 4, tell one number, 17 by 4. After that 18 by 4. After that 19 by 4. That's all. 3 numbers are asked. So 3 numbers, these are the numbers, but different. Previous method we got different answer. That is also correct. This is also correct. This is somewhat simple. So 3 numbers are required. So take n is equal to 3 and take n plus 1, that is 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with 4. 4 4 is 16 by 4. 5 4 is 20 by 4. Between these two, So 16 by 4, 20 by 4, there will be, we are asked to write 3 numbers. After 16 by 4, 17 by 4. Definitely no, it is very simple. After 16 by 4, so if you are asked to write one number greater than it, means 17 by 4, 18 by 4, 19 by 4, only 3 are asked. So that's enough. This method is single step method. So you practice both and we continue our exercise. Write down fast. So exercise 1.1, this is third problem. Find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational, 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, we have to find 5 rational numbers. Method 1, that is mean method. I will explain both and so that you can understand. Suppose if it is specifically mentioned, use that particular method, then in that case you should know both. Actually second method only we apply, but you should know both. I will explain the first method also. Mean method. So these are the two numbers 1 and 2. We have to find 5 numbers. So one number is here. What is the formula? A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2, that is 3 by 2. We got one number. Next. Second number. Again A plus B by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2 by 2. A plus B by 2. Simplify. 2 LCM, 2 ones are 2 plus 3, 5 by 4. We got one more number. Third. A plus B by 2. Third number. Take LCM. Fourth number. A plus B by 2. Fifth number. These are the 6 numbers. Mean method. I will apply second method also. You first copy it. A plus B by 2. 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 Like this. Second method. Here how many numbers we have to find? 5 numbers. N is equal to 5. So n plus 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. Multiply and divide with 6. Multiply and divide by 6. Multiply and divide both numbers by this n plus 1. See here, 1 is here, multiply and divide with 6. 2 is here, multiply and divide with 6. Multiply and divide with 6. Multiply and divide by 6. So 1 into 6, 6 by 6. 2 into 6, 12 by 6. In between, we can write the 5 numbers. 5 numbers between these numbers is equal to, after 6 by 6, we can write 7 by 6. After that, 8 by 6. After that, 9 by 6. After that, 10 by 6. After that, 11 by 6. Like that, 5 numbers. 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. So 5 numbers are asked, 5 numbers over. Like this. This is the second method. Simple method. N plus 1, 6. 6 multiply and divide with 6. 1 into 6, 6 by 6. 6 into 2, 12 by 6. So 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. Stop, because 5 numbers. Only 5 numbers are asked. So 5 numbers. Write down and next go for the fourth problem. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5, 2 by 3. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. 3 rational numbers. I will apply second method. Second method will be easy, but of course first method also, a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2, 3 times you can get the a. See, it is not mentioned which method we have to use. So first method anyway, the steps, see, simplification may be difficult, process may be lengthy, but first method is easy method. A plus b by 2, we will get answer. Again a plus b by 2, we will get answer. Again a plus b by 2, we will get that answer, like that. Now, we have to make the denominator same, but before taking multiply and dividing with n plus 1, first we have to take the denominator same. First make the denominators same. So 5, 3 LCM, 5 and 3 LCM is 15. 5 and 3 LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So 5 and 3, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So we have to make the denominators, both the denominators as 15. So multiply the numerator and denominator with this 3 and multiply the numerator and denominator with this 5, so that denominators will become 15. So same multiply and divide with LCM is 15. So how to see, we can do like this also. 15 is the LCM. 3 times 3 3s are 9. 5 3 times 3 3s are 9. 3 5 times 5 2s are 10. 3 how many times? 5 times 5 2s are 10. So we can make it as 9 by 15 one number, 10 by 15 another number. 9 by 15, 9 by 15 is one number, 10 by 15 is other number. Like this we can prepare. Or multiply and divide with 15, multiply and divide with 15 also, we will get these two numbers. First we have to make the denominator same, otherwise it is very difficult to find, tell anything. First making the denominator same, then it will become easy. So 5 and 3 LCM is 15, 5 3 times is 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 5 times 5 2s are 10, 9 by 15, 10 by 15. Now n plus 1, how many numbers are asked? 3 numbers are asked, 3 plus 1 is 4. So multiply and divide both the numbers by 4. Multiply and divide both the numbers by 4. Multiply and divide both the numbers by 4. 19 by 15 into 4 by 4. 10 by 15 into 4 by 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with 4. Nine fours are 36 by 60. 10 fours are 40 by 60. Now, three numbers between these two the given numbers is, tell one number after 36 by 60, 37 by 60. After this, 38 by 60, 39 by 60. That's all. Only three numbers are asked. Like this we can write. Or we can use another method, a plus b by 2. That already anyway you know. So this is the second method. After 36 by 60, 37, 38, 39, like this. Write down. So this model is over.